number? Yes, nafikiri wamekupenda. Wanaitisha mpaka namba. Wakili, thank you very much for a job at iko
if you have any amendments that you'd like to make, that can
go your issue. Another one. Yes.
And therefore, when it comes out to
As we reflect on these challenges, it is evident that the need for continued investment in fire and rescue services is critical. We urge the government, donors and private sector partners to increase support in the following areas: adequate funding for the procurement of firefighting equipment, infrastructure development and personnel trainings.
Area that can be improved in my county is the firefighting equipment, the modernized firefighting equipment. That is it's a challenge for us and many other, not just in Mombasa but across the country.
We identified the gap and which the project is responding to. So the gap is that fire service is lacking a specialized disaster management response skills.